Oh yes, you know what this means, people. So these parcels finally came. The CO2 bulbs extra that I bought, which I only ordered on Tuesday and today's Friday. They came within a couple days. These I ordered like last Friday and they just come today, so almost a week. But both these came on the same day. Stay tuned. We're gonna do this video this weekend on this shotgun. Yeehaw.